In today's video, we're doing the Tahoe Via Ferrata. Located at Palisades, Tahoe in Olympic Valley, the Tahoe Via Ferrata is a guided climb on a towering granite peak known as the Tram Face. It's designed for all skill levels using steel cables and anchors to help you safely climb the route. And it's operated by tour company Alpenglow Expeditions, who hosted our climb. Here's an overview of the 4-hour tour we did to help you get a feel for it if this is something you're thinking about doing. Our day started at the village where we met our guide, geared up with a harness, helmet, and safety lanyard, and headed up the mountain in a 4x4 shuttle to the base. At the base, we got a quick orientation and learned how to slide our carabiners along the cable. There's a couple of different routes you can take, and we chose the Skyline Traverse. We started out on a mix of granite slabs and ledges. Nothing was technically difficult, but as someone doing this kind of thing for the first time, my adrenaline was definitely going. As you can imagine, the views of the valley below were absolutely incredible. Soon we reached our first suspension bridge, which was a great warm-up for the larger one that comes later. I was a little wobbly, but once I got across, I felt totally exhilarated. After the monkey bridge, we paused for a break and took in the amazing views before moving on to some vertical sections. These were especially exciting and pushed me out of my comfort zone in the best way. As we neared the end of the route, we arrived at the Super Monkey Bridge. It's about 50 feet long and has one cable for your hands and one for your feet. I kind of shuffled across since I was nervous, but it was such an awesome feeling to make it to the other side. The route finishes right below the tram tower, and if your timing is right, you might catch the tram passing overhead. We unhooked from the cables and wrapped up the tour with a mellow hike back down to the shuttle that was waiting for us. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Tahoe Via Ferrata. I seriously loved this experience, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for an epic adventure in Lake Tahoe. On this channel, I create lots of videos on Lake Tahoe, the Eastern Sierras, and Northern California, so if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next one.